Well, we are going to invite my friend Squawks the Parrot here, but I gotta put back on my piratey stuff because he likes to be around pirates. So, we are going to welcome him together by saying a big, mighty ARG. Can you guys say that with me on three? Ready? 1, 2, 3. ARG!
Hi,
Squawks.
everybody.
Welcome to the Neighborhood Story Hour.
I can't wait to be here. I'm so excited.
We are excited to have you, Squawks. Well, today is actually a pirate-themed story hour, so it's perfect that you're here. I've been telling them how you like adventures. Can you tell us one of your adventures?
Well, adventure is my middle name. And this day, I was on the most amazing adventure.
Today?
Today,
Oh, wow. I can't wait to hear about it.
I came across 3 mermaids. And they took me on a secret adventure to show me the treasure.
Treasure?
Yep. And they even let me have some. I got some jewels, and I got a lamp, and I got a chest full of gold.
Oh, my goodness. This is incredible.
Yeah.
Where is it all right now?
Well, I could tell you, but then I'd have to make you walk the plank.
I guess that is what pirates do.
Yep.
You scoundrel.
Ah!
Well, Squawks, do you have anything you can share with us?
Well, I love to do something, and it is I love to play games every day.
Oh, great. Can you play a game with us right now?
I sure can.
What's it called?
It's called I Spy.
Oh, great. Well, you know what? I better take this off so I can spy a little bit better.
What happened to your eye?
It was just for looks.
Oh,
sorry.
okay.
But I really want to play this game, so how do you play?
Well, I say I spy something, and you have to help point it out with your friends.
Okay, can we do that, you guys? We're going to guess what he's going to say. Okay, let's do it.
All right, I spy something gold.
Something gold.
And it came from my treasure.
You brought treasure with you?
Yep.
Okay. Does anybody see anything? Any gold anywhere? What's that? Over there? No. There's one of the mermaids. Right there. Oh. Whoa. Is this it?
You got it.
You got this in your treasure? How cool.
Great job. You at home. You did it. Woohoo.
Well, Squawks, you are such an awesome adventurer. I'd love to hear more, maybe the endings of some of these stories. But we'll say bye to you for now. Can you come back and do a song with us later?
Of course. Bye-bye.
Bye. He's fast.